In this guide, I'll show you how to add your cross platform friends in Minecraft Mobile and invite them to your world. So, the first thing you want to do is press play on the home menu, and then you can select friends at the top. Now, here's where you'll see the option to add a friend, so select that. And what you want to do is search for your friend's gamertag. So, go ahead and type in their name and press return in the bottom right. And here you'll see all of the different search results. So, what you want to do is select add by their name, and then they just have to add you as a friend. Now, in the meantime, you want to head on over to your worlds and you want to press the edit button beside your world because you want to ensure that when you scroll down on the left side under settings, that multiplayer is toggled on for your game. Now, under Microsoft account settings, since you're signed in, you want to ensure it's on invite only, or friends of friends. And once those settings are set, you can scroll on up and you want to select play. Now, once you're in your world, you want to select the three lines in the top center of the screen. And from here, if you have a look on the right, you'll see the option to invite friends to your game. So, what you want to do is select invite to game. And here's where you'll see all of your online friends. So, if you tap on them, it'll check mark their name being ready to be sent to. And if you have a look in the bottom left corner, you can also add your friend here. I'm just going to send this invite out. And then it's simply just a matter of them accepting your invite, and you'll now be playing with a cross platform friend in your world. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.